Hello. Very good morning to all of you guys.
Good morning, sir.
Great. Guys, today we have to start with the maths. I think this is the first session, correct?
Yes,
Till now you have not started with your this subject quantitative aptitude. Am I correct? Guys, okay. So, guys, I will be taking your most of the mathematics portion, okay? Maths consists of 40 marks, everybody know, stats 40 marks, logical reasoning 20 marks. Guys, since it is a first session, let me give you brief idea about your subject. See, this subject consists of 40 marks maths, 40 marks stats, 20 marks logical reasoning, and maximum time that you have to invest while we are covering the content is the maths. Mathematics portion usually take more time. Very less time is required for the stats, and extreme less, only 10 to 15 hours for the logical reasoning. Guys, if from the student perspective I talk, you need more and more revision when it comes to the mathematics, little a bit less revision in stats, and logical reasoning requires just one revision is sufficient. But when it comes to maths, since there is a huge variety of the questions, so many chapters, okay, so it takes almost 60% time. Whenever any teacher is taking quantitative aptitude, 60% of the time we have to invest in covering the topics of the mathematics. Guys, now one chapter, guys, do you know weightage of the chapters? Anything? No? Guys, let me tell you. Guys, see, your subject start with the topic ratio, proportion, indices, then you have logarithm, then equations, then inequalities, then you have mathematics of finance, permutation, sequence and series. Guys, usually maximum students, what they do, they start their subject with the ratio, proportion, indices. They almost invest their 10 to 12 days on basic chapters. Why I don't want you to start with those chapters? That give us one thinking approach that, okay, chapters are very easy, we have to do this much. There is no calculation efforts which is developed in the ratio, proportion, indices. There is no brainstorming required in the chapter ratio, proportion, indices. So guys, whenever you are starting any subject, I want to start with a subchapter where there will be good amount of calculations, there will be good amount of, guys, brainstorming session. Okay, now guys, what is the best part of the CA foundation journey? 11th and 12th, there are two kinds of students. One who has opted for the maths and one who has not opted for the maths. Guys, it will make no difference. Sir, I am not having maths background. It's okay. First of all, start saying that you all are having the maths background. You all have studied maths till class 10th. Everybody? Yes, sir. Then why you are saying you are not having maths background? Okay. Have you studied law till now? No. Not on the CA foundation, but till class 12th. Have you studied law? No. But whenever any law, whenever you're studying law, you never say, sir, please teach law from the basics. I'm not having any law background. You don't have that question in your mind. But when it comes to maths, there are two kinds of crowd. 50% of the students say, sir, I'm good in maths. And 50% of students say, sir, I'm always having the fear of the maths. You know, the reason of your fear in the maths was the algebra. Am I correct? In class 6th and 7th, once you started learning, let it be X. On that day you decided, after 10th I will not opt the maths. Now, one more nightmare was the trigonometry. Now guys, you are blessed. No trigonometry. Okay? No trigonometry. Now, second thing, one promise that I am making you today, I promise you guys, no traditional approach. No traditional approach. In next 2 days, you will study this subject from extreme different perspective. Whether you have maths background, whether you don't have maths background, it will not create any difference. I just want all of you to have believe in yourself. Yes, I am ready to opt whatever new answer you will teach. Everything. You just have to accept everything with your positive mindset. Okay, you have to give your full attention, and there is nothing extremely easy. Whatever chapter we are going to study, I will not follow any theorems, no traditional approach. But why, Aman sir? Why you are so confident you will not follow that? Because our paper is now MCQ. Guys, we don't need to write. we need to tick a correct answer. Now here comes the biggest difference. You guys are totally free to follow the method that ever you want. And guys, now we are going to study the chapter, all the chapters, whatever chapter we study. Every question, you guys will be ready to deal with the questions only in 30 seconds. Each and every question, maximum 30 to 40 seconds. Toughest chapter, this chapter that we are going to start is mathematics of finance. You know, what is the weightage of this chapter? 15 marks, 1-5. Out of 40 marks, 15 marks weightage to one chapter, mathematics of finance. And guys, if you can hold this chapter with full confidence, okay, this chapter will give you two things. One, confidence. Yes, I can crack the lengthiest and toughest chapter. Second thing, once you develop the confidence in this chapter, even I start with the derivation and integration, you will be accepting that with a positive mindset. But if I start with ratio proportion, in the first class, if I engage you in solving the ratios, brackets, opening the brackets, multiplication, division, we don't want that in my life. Sir, we want to have the brainstorming session. We want to apply our mind. We don't want to engage ourselves in solving equal to, writing the answers in one page, getting the, no. Sir, make us capable. I promise you, three things. One, we are going to have guys, everyone is having calculator?
Yes, sir.
I think your batch has already started, so everyone must be having the calculator. And guys, maximum answers you will get directly in the calculator. Guys, we are going to use this calculator at its full throttle. Maximum efficiency we'll get. Now see guys, why you should not panic from the calculations. Till now, you were supposed to do the calculations by yourself. Now all these calculations will be done by calculator. So guys, first remove that fear that you are going to make any calculation mistake. No, there's no possibility that you will make any calculation mistake, because now entire calculation will be done by the calculator. Guys, are you getting a point? Guys, now after this chapter, we'll start with one algebra chapter. And the biggest algebra chapter which is there in your syllabus is the equations. Equations will develop your full basics. Whatever you have left after 10th, 11th, 12th basics, whatever you have missed, you will come 100% ready with the basics. And this time you will study the equation from a different approach, different perspective. And once we are done with these two chapters, you can start whatever chapter you want. You will have the zero difficulty in your basics, calculation, your speed. I'll improve everything in these two chapters. Guys, are you getting a point?
Yes, sir.
Now, let me tell you about the notes. You guys have not received the notes yet? No? Notes? Yesterday, Venu said that they will distribute the notes. Okay. Guys, see. Now, class notes. There will be, guys, three books of the mathematics which will be provided from me. One, concept handbook. One, question bank. And third book will be, guys, Genie book. I know the name Genie. I'll explain why it is named Genie. Guys, now, wait. Guys, are you all here? Yes. Guys, concept handbook. See, I want all of you to carry rough pages in the class or whatever notes copy you are maintaining. Guys, for mathematics, don't maintain any fair notebook. This is your notes, guys. This book name is, guys, concept handbook. I'm going to write everything in this book. You guys will be provided with the same book. You have to do entire writing part with me in this notes. Okay, one 400 page book, complete math, stats and LR in 410 pages. Everything. This is your classwork. So you have to maintain this. You are going to write everything here. And I promise you guys, whenever you want to revise multiple revision, one day before exam, 1 month before exam, you just need to turn the pages of this concept handbook and we are done. See, many students say, Aman sir, what should I do 1 day before exam? Guys, 1 day before exam strategy cannot be made 1 day before. Today only we have to make it. Okay, Aman sir, how, this is a big chapter, big subject, how we will revise this subject in 1 day? Guys, this concept handbook is more than sufficient. 1 day before exam, this concept handbook. So guys, one is the concept handbook. One is, guys, question bank. Now guys, your ICAI module that I am seeing many of you are carrying. that module is sufficient for only few chapters. Mathematics of finance, 15 marks weightage. They have given total 35 questions. Not at all sufficient. In one exam, they ask 15 questions, and your module is just having 15 questions. For a few chapters, your module is extremely insufficient. And guys, second thing, it is highly unstructured. But Aman sir, how we will check whether we are ready for our module or not? Once we conclude any chapter, we'll make sure that last day we turn the ICAM module pages also, and we'll tick all the questions. All the questions are covered. So question bank will cover your module questions, RTP, revision test paper issued by the institute, mock test paper issued by the institute, and important previous year questions. Guys, are you getting a point? So guys, this will consist of almost 150 to 200 questions, and this all the question we are going to discuss in the class. Okay. Third thing, guys, now we are having one responsibility. Once we conclude any chapter, how we will get confidence? You guys will feel confidence when you will solve the question by yourself without my presence. So what is the best question bank that you should try after the completion of any chapter? That is the last 20 attempts previous year questions. So guys, I will be providing the third notes, which will consist of last 20 attempts previous year questions. Okay, once we conclude any chapter, you can crack last 20 attempts question. Each question will be having QR codes. If you find any difficulty, scan the QR code, you will have the video solution. Okay, so your discussion will not be dependent upon me. Guys, are you getting a point? Now, apart from these three notes, no need to study anything else. See, if you are able to crack last 20 attempts question paper, you will feel confidence. Okay, and guys, don't change the study mat again and again. That 3 books will be extremely sufficient. After that, whenever you want to check whether you are ready, you will be just solving the institute mock test paper. Guys, if I am right, you guys are planning to give September. Am I correct? So guys, you have to be very much clear. In Pan India level, wherever I'm taking the batches, I'm taking the batches for September. And you know, this time we are having 2 things. I don't know whether you are in that pressure or not, but as a faculty, I'm having that pressure. Aman, you have to complete everything promptly on time, so that the students can get a good amount of time for the revision. This time KS Academy has maintained a superb study planners that everything will be covered promptly on time. One thing you can't do, sir, you can't be like, sir, you are physically present in the class, but mentally if you are absent, if you break the linkage of any chapter for 20 minutes also, you won't be able to connect. Guys, per day we are having minimum 3 sessions. Someday I will be taking 30 minutes, 40 minutes extra. Almost we are going to be here for 6 hours. In 6 hours, almost 50% chapter will be done. So guys, in this next 5 days, I want to get you in that confidence. Aman sir, we can not only manage to pass, we can pass with 90 plus. Guys, now, last batch, student from the last batch, I think there are 2 highest score I have known. One was 98 marks, again students from this batch only, this kind of batch only, and one name was I think Vishnu, 95 marks, again students from this batches only. And before the last to last attempt, one student has scored 100 out of 100 in maths. And so guys, what is the, you know, before 2-3 years before, I think in the year 2020, 2021, everyone says it is very easy to score 100 out of 100 in accounts. It is very easy to score 100 out of 100 in economics. But these 2 subjects, law and maths, everyone was saying maths is next to impossible. Guys, from last 2 years, students had proved, no, it is not impossible. Now 90 plus is minimum. We can minimum target 90 plus. And since if in exam hall, if you crack 90 plus question, you will definitely take a chance. Let me crack remaining 10 questions also. What if I get 100 out of 100? Because attempting that question will give you negative of not more than 12 marks. So guys, many students are taking chance because guys, paper is extremely predictable. I'm saying guys, yes, paper is extremely predictable. 3 sources you have to tap: module, RTP, MTP. Let's leave RTP, because RTP they have just started a year ago. Just 2 attempts they have started issuing the RTP for the maths, and RTP is only of the 25 questions. So leave RTP. Module, MTP and PYQ. So guys, this book will cover ICAI module 100%, MTP mock test papers. One thing that you have to practice will be, guys, previous year questions, and that will be the Genie book I will be providing. And I promise you guys, once we conclude any chapter, you guys will be 100% ready to crack all the questions of PYQ. In the meantime, guys, when I will be teaching you the second chapter, equations, I will be providing you the mathematics of finance PYQ. So you crack all the questions in that 2-3 days. You will feel confidence, and whatever questions you have, I will be physically present over here to answer all the questions. Guys, are you all here? Yes, guys, shall we start with our first chapter, mathematics of finance. 15 marks weightage. Okay, guys, I just want all of you, since you don't have the notes, write down something in the wherever you want to write. Okay, whatever thing you feel this is important for me, you write. Once you get the notes, I will make sure that before the lunch break you will get the notes. Once you get the notes, guys, I'll increase the speed. Till now, till that time, we'll reduce the speed little bit. Once you get the notes, I'll increase the speed. Guys, one more thing, wait. One thing you have to change. One thing you have to change. Guys, tell me, you will feel confidence when I will be solving the question or you guys will be solving the question? Correct? Guys, now there are 2 approaches. First approach, I will read the question, I will solve it, then I will say, now you try. Not a good approach. Because if I will solve the question first, you will retain the answer in your subconscious mind for at least 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Definitely will crack. Guys, but what will happen? I will teach you the concept. I will make you ready to fight. Okay, concept handbook, all the questions will be done by me. But when it comes to question bank, for every question, I will give you 30 seconds, 40 seconds, 1 minute or 2 minutes, depending upon the question. Okay, you try first. There will be 2 things. Either you will get the answer. If you get the answer, trust me, even if you don't revise, you will always solve. You will always, because any question which we are able to crack at first trial, we never make mistakes. Second approach, second thing, Aman sir, what if we don't get the answer? But the efforts that you will put, when I'll explain the question, you will find improvement in yourself, and that will make you ready to deal with the new questions. Guys, Aman sir, do you promise that the question paper will be same? I say no. You are planning to give your first exam after 12th, and that is pan India level examination. Till school days, it was very easy. They asked the same question, same theme, everything was same. Now yes, 50-60% question will be same, but institute will always they will plan 20-25 new questions. Questions will be new, concept will be same. So guys, now we have to make ourselves ready to deal with the new questions. Guys, so don't maintain any fair work notes for this question bank. After completion of one chapter, you will feel, sir, we have done this question bank 2 times. Now I don't want to do it. Now give us some another source of question. So guys, no need to maintain the fair work for the question bank. Just maintain the rough pages, get the answers. Guys, are you getting a point? And that will be sufficient for me. You have to crack this question bank twice, once with me, once as a homework at your home, and throw this. Third question bank, Genie book. Once you're done with Genie book, again I will give you some super 200 questions. That should be our agenda. Now we have to not bound ourselves, I will solve this only 5 times. No, solve 2 times, that is sufficient. Guys, are you getting a point? Yes. So guys, second approach will take time, because I will give you time first. You crack the question first, then I will interfere. But guys, this approach, second approach, with the students try the question first and faculty explain it later. This take time, requires more time, but yes guys, this will create the confidence. Guys, first approach or second approach? Second approach. And guys, whenever I give you time, you have to fight for that question. Guys, are you getting a point? Yes, guys, let's start with our first chapter, mathematics of finance. Guys, a very important chapter. You know, the history of this mathematics of finance, till 2021, the chapter name was time value of money. Sorry, till 2023, chapter name was time value of money. And before that, the name of this chapter was simple interest, compound interest and annuity. and the weightage of that chapter was only 5 marks. Only 5 marks. So guys, later on, institute added so many concepts in mathematics of finance. So guys, now we have bifurcated this chapter in 2 parts. Phase 1, phase 2. Guys, in phase 1, I will be teaching you simple interest, compound interest, effective rate and depreciation. And guys, this was the chapter, this was the content of the chapter till 2019. Only 3 to 4 marks weightage. Later on, they added the concept. Guys, annuity, application of time value of money and rate of returns. Guys, out of 15 marks, 8 marks, 7 to 8 marks question from the phase 1 and 7 to 8 marks from phase 2. Guys, this one chapter is equivalent to 4 chapters as compared to weightage, as compared to content. And guys, if you guys manage to complete this chapter with me, trust me, you will feel the confidence, and I want that you should feel that confidence, then only I will jump to the next chapter. Guys, are you all here? Now, let's start with the chapter background. Says phase 1. Guys, we'll start with the my today's agenda is to complete the phase 1. Yes, today we can complete compound interest, effective rate, depreciation, and we'll start a little bit of simple interest. Okay, so guys, let's start. Phase 1. Guys, let's start with the simple interest and compound interest. Guys, don't worry, I know you don't have the notes, guys. So later on, once you get the notes, I will again share this board work so you can do the writing part. Try to answer me everything. Guys, what do you mean by simple interest? Guys, if I deposit 100 rupees in a bank and I have promised bank will give me 10%, bank will give me 10%. First year ends, I ask bank my interest. Bank will give me interest on what? 10% on what? 100. Guys, hold your calculator. Guys, hold your calculator. Guys, press 100. Guys, press 100, multiply by, guys, this small calculations I want all of you to perform. Multiply by 10%. Press percentage button. 100 multiply by 10%. How much? 10 rupees. Aman sir, we will get 10 rupees. Okay. Guys, what will be your bank balance? 100 rupees you have deposited, 10 rupees interest you have earned. How much is your bank balance now? 110. Guys, everybody guys with me. Now, yes, just a minute, wait. Hotkeys. Guys, everybody, guys, hold your calculator. Guys, now with me. Guys, are you all here? Guys, can you see the calculator now? Okay. Now, guys, press 100. You want to get the 10% of 100. Press multiply 10%. Multiply 10%. Guys, how much you are getting? Sir, 10 rupees you have earned the interest. Now, you have deposited 100 rupees in a bank. 10 rupees interest for 1 year. What will be your bank balance? 100 you have deposited, 10 rupees interest, 100 plus 10, how much? 110. Now, guys, second year ends. Now, second year ends. I again ask bank, my interest. Now, bank will give me interest on 110 or initial deposit. Here comes the difference. Guys, you are getting the interest as per simple interest or as per compound interest? Simple interest. Guys, simple interest says whatever bank balance you have, but you will get the interest again and again only on your initial deposit. Initial? I am not using any technical word, amount, principal, no. Guys, initial deposit. Guys, what is initial deposit? 100. Again you will get 10% for the next year. 100 multiplied by 10%. How much? 10 rupees. Guys, what will be your bank balance now? 20. Guys, now again third year ends. You will get the interest on 110, 120 or 100. Why? Because we are getting interest as per simple interest. So what is simple interest? Simple interest says you will get the interest again and again, not on your bank balance. You will get the interest always on your initial deposit. Guys, this initial deposit is technically known as principal. Technically known as? And this bank balance is technically known as amount. Technically known as? Guys, we'll come back to these words again. Guys, initial deposit is known as always principal. Third year ends. You will get interest on your initial deposit 100 rupees. Again 100 multiplied by 10%. How much, guys? 10 rupees. What will be your bank balance? Fourth year ends, guys. 10 rupees. Bank balance. Guys, again 1 year ends. 10. Bank balance. Guys, any difficulty on this? I am not going to teach you simple interest now. We will directly jump towards the compound interest. Our flow will be, we will cover compound interest. Compound interest weightage 4 marks. Okay. Minimum 4 to 5 question directly from the CI. One from the effective rate, one from the depreciation. Fixed pattern. Now, guys, after compound interest, we will cover effective rate. After effective rate, we will cover depreciation. Once we conclude everything, then again we will come back to the simple interest. Guys, now, let's come to this part. Compound interest. Everybody, guys, again same situation. I have deposited 100 rupees in a bank. Bank has promised me to give me 10%. Guys, I want all of you, I know the calculations are very easy. Still I want all of you to perform in the calculator. Why? I want all of you, see guys, you know, as of now the plus button is here, multiply, divide. Speed will come when your mind will accept, okay, 2 plus. Without looking at the calcing, your brain will automatically perform that operations, and this will happen once you start using the calculator. Guys, all the buttons, M plus, M minus, MRC, GT, MU, plus minus, this button, display, all the buttons I'm going to use. Now only plus minus multiplication, no, we are going to use, guys, we are going to convert this calculator into a scientific calculator. I promise. Leave it to me how we will do that. Okay. Next 3 days, just accept whatever comes into the discussion. Guys, are you all here? But this calculator can calculate logarithm, anti-logarithm. This calculator can calculate any power, not only power 1 by 2, power 2 by 3, minus 5 by 2, negative power, odd power, even power, decimal, whatever. Everything we are going to get from this. We are not going to depend upon the any given information in the question. We will develop our own approach. Guys, are you all here?
Yes, sir.
Now, guys, again, you deposit 100 rupees in a bank. Bank give you 10%. 100 multiply by 10%. How much? 10 rupees. Compound interest. What is your bank balance?
110.
Aman sir, 100 rupees we have deposited. 10 rupees interest we have made. What is your bank balance?
110.
Guys, now second year starts, ends. Now second year ends. I will get the interest on my initial deposit or last bank balance. Why? Because this time you are getting the interest as per SI or as per CI. So what is the difference between simple interest and compound interest? In simple interest, whatever bank balance you have, you will always get the interest on your initial deposit. That is, you will always get the interest on principal. But in compound interest, you will get the interest not on your initial deposit, you will get the interest on your last bank balance. Don't say the word anything, guys. Last bank balance. When the second year ends. Now what is my bank balance? 100 or 110? 110. Guys, now get the 10% of 110. 110 multiply by 10%. How much, guys? Are you getting the interest of 11 rupees? What is your bank balance? See, sir, Aman sir, 110 was our last bank balance. Again we have made 11 rupees plus 11. How much? 121. Guys, can I say you will get the interest on your last balance? Okay. Again third year ends. Now you tell me, you will get the interest on 100, 110 or 121? How much is the interest, guys? Guys, are you doing like this? 121 is my last bank balance, multiply by 10%. Are you getting 12.1? What is your bank balance now? Aman sir, see, 121 was my last bank balance. Now I have earned 12.1. How much? 133. Guys, now next interest you will get on initial deposit or last bank balance. What is your last bank balance? 133. Aman sir, 133.1 multiply by 10%. Are you getting 13.31? What is your bank balance now? 133.1 was my last bank balance plus 13.31. How much? 146.41. Guys, now again fifth year ends. You will get the interest on initial deposit or last bank balance. This is your last bank balance, 146.41 multiply by 10%. Are you getting, guys? 14.641. Guys, are you getting the bank balance? 161. Sorry, you will get the interest 14.641. Are you getting the bank balance? 161.051. Guys, yes or no, everybody? Guys, can I say, what is the difference between simple interest and in simple interest we get the interest again and again on principal, but in compound interest we get the interest on our last bank balance. Guys, are you getting a point? Now you must have heard, sir, in simple interest we get the interest on interest, something like this. Guys, I don't want you to go through that language. Okay, we'll come to that part. Automatically those things will be cleared. But guys, now leave those words that is already planted in your mind. All the questions that you have your, see, compound interest, all the students in one's life, they study something, some basics. Principal into rate into time is simple interest. Principal into bracket 1 plus I raised to the power n is compound interest. Something like this. But guys, I want all of you accept the new words, because I want to make you ready with the content. I have to make sure that you are ready to deal with the questions also. Guys, so whatever terminology I am using, I am just making sure that yes, you guys will be able to crack the language barriers of the question. Guys, are you all here? Now, one more thing. Guys, many of you must be finding, sir, Aman sir, our basics is not that good. Okay, so you are starting with this chapter. See guys, first of all, understand every chapter in the maths has its own set of basics. Even if I teach you LCM today, LCM will not be used in this chapter. LCM is basics. LCM will not be used in this chapter. LCM will be used in the logarithm. So guys, every chapter has its own set of basics. So here the basics, this chapter basic is something else. And this concept handbook is designed in such a way, whatever basics is required, that will be the part of our discussion. Even if the LCM is required to be taught, I will discuss the LCM. If I have to teach you guys fractorization, whatever I have to teach you, that will be the part of that content class. Guys, are you getting a point? So this chapter has its own set of basics and we are going to discuss that now. Guys, are you all here? Yes. Now see, wait. Guys, I have deposited some amount of money. For example, I have deposited 1 lakh rupees in a bank. Okay. Is it necessary that I have to collect my interest at the end of year only? Is it necessary? No. Can I ask bank, please give me my interest at the end of every half year? Can I collect my interest after 6 months, first interest, after 6 months, one more interest? Guys, is it necessary that I have to calculate my interest yearly only? No. I can calculate my interest yearly, half yearly also, quarterly. Guys, can I ask bank, give me my interest at the end of every 3 months? Yes. Guys, can I ask the bank give me my interest at the end of every month? Yes. So guys, you can collect your interest yearly, half yearly, quarterly and monthly. Guys, for example, guys, here I have deposited 5 lakh rupees in a bank. Bank has promised me to give 10%. Now, Aman sir, is it necessary that you have to calculate your interest at the end of every year? No. Guys, you can collect your interest yearly. Guys, you can collect your interest half yearly. Guys, quarterly and monthly. And guys, monthly. Guys, now I want all of you, please answer me some basic question. Answer me some basic question. In 1 year, how many half years? 6 months means 1 half year. In 1 year, how many half year? Sir, see, if you split 1 by half, how many halves will be created? 2. Guys, very basics, guys. Think and say. In 1 year, how many half year? In 1 year, how many month? So guys, 6 month means 1 half year. Another 6 month means 1 more half year. How many half years? 2. Guys, okay, everybody. In 1 year, how many half years? 2. In 1 year, how many quarters? Now many will say, sir, wait. 1 quarter means how many months?
3 months.
Very good. Many say 4 months. Guys, 1 year means 2 half year. Quarter means, guys, 1 by 4. 1 by? So if you split 1 by 4, there will be how many half years, guys? 3 months, 1, 3 months, 3 months, 3 months. Guys, in 1 year, how many quarters? 4. In 1 year, how many months? 5
months.
Okay. Guys, write down. 1 year means how many half years? 2. 1 year means how many quarters? In 1 year, how many months? 12. Just a second, guys. Now, I want all of you to understand one thing. Guys, are you all here? This is extreme amount of basics. This is the basics of this chapter. If I don't teach you this, if I start expecting from you, you should know 1 year means 2 half years, then I will say that I'm not teaching you basics. But if we are discussing these things, trust me guys, we are discussing the each and every basics of that chapter. Even if you are not clear about any word in the question, I will teach you that. Guys, are you all here?
Yes, sir.
Guys, first chapter that we have started, 15 marks. One requirement, full focus, full attention, full dedication. Guys, many students start participating when we enter at the question discussion. Guys, till next 1 hour, we are not going to have any discussion on the question. We are going through the basics. When it comes to the question, one question will take 20 seconds, 30 seconds, and I am not going to do that. You are going to do that. But that 1 hour will decide whether you are going to crack those questions or not. And this 1 hour, even if you know these basics, then also participate. Yes, are you getting a point? Now, guys, with me. 1 year means how many half years? 2. 1 year means how many quarter? 1 year means how many month? Okay. Guys, now answer me one basic question. This one calculator cost me 50 rupees. How much, guys?
50 rupees.
What will be the cost of 2 calculator?
100.
How you calculated this 100? Can you tell me? 50 multiply by 2. It means you are saying if we know anything for 1 unit, multiply by number of units will give you a required answer. Okay. Guys, if 1 year means 2 half years, then 2 years means how many half years? How many half years? 4. Sir, 1 year means 2 half years. 2 years means 2 into 2. How much? 4. 1 year means 4 quarter. Then 2 years means how many quarters? 4 multiply by 2. 8 quarters. 1 year means 12 months. Then 2 years means how many months? How you calculate this 24? 2 into 12. Yes or no? Now, let's avoid this calculation and try to brainstorm with from basics. 1 year means 2 half years. 6 months, 1 half year. 6 months, another half year. Let's split this 2 years. 1 year will have 2 half years. Another 1 year will have 2 half years. 2 plus 2, 4. Guys, can you apply the common sense also? No. Guys, 1 year means 4 quarter. 1 more year is there. 1 more 4 quarters. 4 plus 4, 8. But guys, if you know anything for one particular unit, multiply by number of units will give you your required answer. 1 year means how many half years? 1 year means how many quarter? 4. Guys, now wait. 1 year means how many quarter? 4. 1 quarter means how many month?
3 months.
3 months, again 3 months, again 3 months, again 3 months. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 3, 9 plus 3, 12. Guys, do you understand this? 4 quarter means 1 year, or I can say 1 year means 4 quarters, and 1 year means how many month? 12 month. Everybody guys with me. Now think and say, 1 year means again, sir, this is basics. Why you are taking so much time? There is no question which will not they will manipulate you with this conversion. And once you are confident with this conversion, don't worry, I will save my time in question. All the question will crack in 30 seconds. All the questions. I promise you, we'll start the stopwatch. If any question take more than 30 seconds, we'll change the method. Done? Now, with me. 1 year means how many half year?
2 half years.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, think and say. 6 month means how many half year?
1.
Sir, 6 month itself means 1 half year. 1 year means how many half year? 2. 1 year means how many quarter? 4. 1 year means how many month? 12. Now, can you answer me for 2 years? Yes. Guys, 2 years means how many half years? 4. Guys, now how you are doing this? So see, in 1 year there are 2 half year. So in 2 years, how many half years?
4.
In 1 year, how many quarters? 4. So in 2 years, how many quarters?
8.
In 1 year, how many month? 12. So in 2 years, how many month?
24.
Any doubt on this? Guys, think and say. 1 year means how many half years?
2.
So 1.5 years means how many half years? How? So see, in 1 year, 2 half year. Multiply by number of units. 2 multiply by 1.5. Do it guys in the calculator. 2 multiply by 1.5. 3. Are you getting 3 half years? Now guys, apply this basics with me. 1 year means how many half years?
3 half years.
1 year. 2. This half year. Guys, no need to ask. Whenever you want to go out, you can go. Whenever you want to come. Sorry? Headache? Want to go out? Fainting. Okay. Can anyone call any? Please, 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 please. Please lay down. First day of the match, this is very natural. This happens. It's okay. Guys, are you all here? Anyone else fainting? Okay. Sir, maths? Sir? No, sir. No maths, sir. In the class 6th, I have... Please, please, please have water. It's okay. Cool down. Guys, are you all here? Yes, don't worry. I will decrease the speed. Okay? But we'll study only basics today. But please don't faint, huh? It's okay. Guys, no repetition. 1 year means how many half years? 2. 1 year means how many quarter? 4. 1 year means how many month? This 1 year. Don't read 1.5. 1 year means how many half years?
2.
Half 0.5 year. 0.5 year means 1 half year. 2 plus 1, 3. Logical answer. But how you can calculate? If you know anything for, guys, if you know anything for 1 unit, multiply by number of units will give you your required answer. 1 year means how many half years? 2. Multiply by number of units. 2 multiply by 1.5. How much?
3.
Guys, write down. Guys, you can do this writing part with me. Okay. I know that you don't have the notes, but you will do the writing. 1 year means how many half years? 2. Multiply by 1.5. How much, guys? 2 multiply by 1.5, 3. Guys, everybody guys with me. 1 year means how many quarters? 4. So 1.5 years means how many quarters? How guys? 4 multiply by, can anyone please go with her? It's okay. This happens when I visited gym for first time. I was like this, sir, tomorrow I will not come, sir. Please, please, sir. Please leave me, sir. Biggest mistake, I joined the gym. Guys, 1 year means how many quarters? 4. So 1.5 years means 4 into 1.5. How much, guys? 6. Now, guys, logically, let's play logical. Guys, with me. 1 year means how many quarters? 1 year means how many quarters? 4. Half year means 6 months. Half year means 3 months, 1 quarter, 3 months, 1 quarter. It means, can I say, in this half year, there are 2 quarters. And this 1 year, there are 4 quarters. 4 plus 2, 6. But guys, if you don't apply the logic, 1 year means 4 quarter. Multiply by number of units. 4 into 1.5. Your answer is 6. Guys, 1.5. 1 year means how many months? 12. So 1.5 years means how many months? How? Sir, see. 1 year means 12 month, 12 multiply by number of multiply by 1.5, how much? 18. Guys, 12 multiply by, everybody guys, 12 multiply by 1.5, how much? 18. Guys, now with me, wait. 1 year means how many month? 1 year means how many month? 12. Half year means 6 month. 12 plus 6, 18. Guys, are you getting the answers? Guys, don't worry. This is extreme basics. After a certain amount of practice, you will answer fast. Okay? We have just started with the chapter. See, don't compare your speed with the other's speed. Always, guys. First 10 days, don't give your question like this. They are answering fast, sir. This is a very basic question many students will have. Sir, they are getting little of fast answer as compared to me. Speed and accuracy, they don't come together. No. First fight for the accuracy. For someone is asking, what is 10 into 7? 60. 10 into 7, 60. Sir, I am so fast, but you are wrong. So guys, 10 into 7 is 70. But you're saying, so 10 into 60. Fast, sir. I am fast. Speed and accuracy will not come first thing. Someone is saying 70. You are saying 10 into 7. 70. Okay. Accuracy will come first, then speed will come. Speed, you have the speed. But sir, we get the wrong answer, but we have the speed. No. First accuracy will come, then speed. So don't compare, sir, they are getting little fast answer. No, it's okay. After 2-3 days, everything will be normal. Everyone will have the almost same speed, guys. Now, 1 year means how many half years? 1 year means how many quarters? 1 year means how many months? So 2.5 years means how many half years? How? Guys, how you are calculating this? Sir, see, 1 year means how many half years? 2. We need to get answer for 2.5. Multiply by 2.5. How much, guys? 5. Sir, 2 multiply by 2.5. How much? 5. Guys, 1 year means how many quarter? So 2.5 years means how many quarter? Sir, 4 multiply by 2.5, 10. Guys, 1 year means how many month? So guys, 2.5 year means 12 into 2.5. How much, guys? 30. Guys, is this point clear? Everybody, guys. Now answer very carefully. 6 month means how many half year? Sir, 1 year, half year is equal to 6 month, na? So 6 month means how many half year? Wait. Now, 1 year means how many quarters? 1 quarter is of how many month? 3 months. Can I say 3 month is equal to 1 quarter? Yes, sir. So in 6 months, how many quarters are there? 3 month, 1 quarter, again 3 month, 1 more quarter. How many quarters? 2. 6 month means how many months? Sir, 6 months, sir. Guys, now leave this. Guys, 3 month means how many quarter? 1 quarter. Everybody, guys. Now, again, are you all ready with this basics? Now, again I am asking, 1 year means how many years? Sir, 1 year means 1 year. Okay, so don't say, sir, we need years and they have given us years. How to do the conversion, sir? No need. No need. 5 years means how many years? Thank you so much. Guys, now 5 year means how many half years? 10. 5 multiplied by 2. 1 year means how many quarter? 5 years means how many quarter? 20. 1 year means how many month? 5 years means how many month? 60. Guys, are you getting the answers? Now, see. Guys, in this page, we have just discussed the basics of the CI. Let's revise whatever we have studied till now. Guys, are you all here? Now, I want all of you, close your books, notes, everything and bring your full attention. So the best part, close your books. This is the best part in our life. Pack your bags and go home. Guys, no. Guys, are you all here? What is compound interest? Aman sir, whenever we are getting the interest on our bank balance, that is our compound interest. And if you are getting interest again and again on your principal, that is simple interest. Guys, if you are getting the interest on your last bank balance, that is your compound interest. Is it necessary that you will collect the interest yearly? No. We can collect the interest yearly, half yearly, quarterly, monthly. Sir, even we can calculate our interest on daily basis also. If one person is saying that I am getting 30,000 interest per month, per how much per day? 1,000. But in practical world, maximum as per RBI guidelines, guys, you can collect your interest from the banks yearly, half yearly, quarterly, monthly. So guys, that's why in questions they will never say calculate the interest for a day. But yes, we can even calculate our interest for per hour. If you are getting 24,000 per day, how much per hour? 1,000. But in practical world, this is not the question. So guys, in our question, they will use the word yearly, half yearly, quarterly and monthly. Now, again guys, I'm so sorry, but again, 1 year means how many half years? 2. Quarters? Month? 6 years means how many quarters? Guys, now again, I will not ask in the same sequence. Year, half year, no. 6, think and say. Guys, wait. Think and say. Please. Guys, with me guys, with me. Apply or both the brains. Please. Guys, 6 years means how many half years? Thank you. 6 years means how many quarters? 24. As how you reached at 24? In 1 year means 4. 4 into 6 guys, 24. 8 years means how many half years? 16. 8 years means how many years? 8. 8 years means 8 years guys. 8 years means how many month? Sir, 1 year means 12. Multiply by 8, 96. Everybody guys, are you all here? Now wait. 3.5 years means how many quarters? 3.5. How you calculate this 14? 5 multiply by 4, 14. Guys, 3.5 years means how many half years? 3.5 multiply by 2. Guys, is this point clear? Everybody? Yes, sir. Now, in this entire chapter, complete chapter for 15 marks, I am going to teach you only 5 tricks. And with that 5 tricks, 100% chapter we have to cover. 5 tricks. Guys, are you getting a point? 5 tricks. Now, we have to start with the first trick, guys. The problem is guys, whenever we start any trick, one common mindset we have, I will go home, I will learn the trick, then I will perform. No, change. Now guys, you have to retain. Now see guys, for the trick there is no logic. That's why it's trick. If it's have logic, then I can say the formula. I would never name it as a trick. Now guys, what we are doing, we are just getting the best use of these buttons, equals to, multiply, divide, upon. This calculator guys, we have decoded this calculator and we are going to use this at best. Now, I'm going to teach you 5 tricks. Say yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, I want all of you to retain the trick first, then write, then perform. What maximum students do? They write first, perform, later on they learn the trick. No. Let's change the flow. Guys, first we will retain the trick. Then we'll write the trick. Then we will perform in the questions. Guys, we have almost 1 hour. Okay. Before this break, we have to conclude our first basic trick. Are you all ready, guys?
Yes,
now, for next 2 days, I'm going to teach you this chapter for next 2 days more. And next 2 days, we have to study 5 tricks. And all the trick will start from one basic thing, that is R upon 100 plus 1. So guys, R upon 100. All the trick will be almost same. I will just make a small change and the trick will be for the new concept. So I want all of you to retain one thing. All the 5 trick will start from R upon 100 plus 1. So guys, I'm writing by the first, don't write guys now. Guys, first trick is, guys, R upon 100 plus 1. Now guys, when we are talking about the CI, when we are talking about the compound interest, question will give you principle. Say yes. Question will give you principle that I have deposited so much money in the initial deposit. Okay. R upon 100 plus 1. Multiply by principle. Question will give you principle. So multiply with the principle. Guys, all the trick starts from R upon 100 plus 1. Question is of compound interest. Multiply by principle. Multiply by principle. See guys, 5 tricks. I will just multiply it by 100. Trick will be of effective rate. Here, rather than multiplying, if I write divide, trick will be of present value. Multiply by principle, if I write multiply by 1, trick will be of future value. That's only the change I'm going to make. I will explain that. Guys, just I'm saying that 5 tricks, small change, and the next 5 tricks will be there. So retain this first trick, rest 4 tricks, leave it to me. Guys, are you getting a point? Again, all the trick starts from R upon 100 plus 1. Multiply by principle. Guys, then you press equal to button in your calculator. You know what you will get? Amount. Guys, this amount, technically it is amount. But guys, normally we say bank balance. Sir, are you sure you will get bank balance? Okay, wait. For how many times we will press equals to button? Number of years. Number of years. Guys, for example, if I have deposited 5 lakh rupees today, okay, bank is giving me 10% rate of interest. I want my bank balance after 5 years. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See guys, don't write, don't wait. First apply trick in your mind. R upon 100. 10 upon 100 plus 1. Multiply. No, not in calculation. No. Multiply. 5 lakhs. After how many years you want bank balance? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Aman sir, are you sure? Yes, 100% that is your bank. No sir, we don't trust you. It is first day. Okay. Guys, you know, we started from this part. Guys, yes or no? Guys, wait. Don't perform guys. Please look, watch. Guys, wait. Don't worry. Entire question bank is waiting for you. Concept handbook, me. Question bank, you. Genie book, everything will be you guys. Wait. Guys, with me. What is our all the trick starts from? R upon 100 plus 1. No, see guys. Wait. R upon 100 plus 1. Now guys, wait. Many students have the habit. They unnecessarily press equal to button. They do like this. R upon 100 equals to plus 1 equals to plus 1 equals. No, guys, don't press equals to button. In our trick, we press equals to button because we don't know how to use the calci. So whenever we do anything, we say, I have to press equals to button. I have to press equal to button. But why? I don't know, but I have to press equal to button. Guys, so wait, change that approach. Next 20 questions, you have to perform with me extremely slow. After 20 question, don't worry. You will say, sir. Answer, sir. Okay. But next 20 questions with me. With me, guys. Promise?
Yes, sir.
Guys, now with me, please. Our all the trick starts from? That's all. R upon 100. With me. See, guys, how? Rate is 10%. Guys, rate is? 10%. Guys, see. Rate is 10%. R upon 100 plus 1. Wait, no equals to button. Multiply by principal. Multiply by. What is the principal? 100. I want my bank balance after 5 years. After? 5 years. So how many times should I press equal to button? 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Guys, have you reached at this point logically?
Yes, sir.
161 amount. 161.051. 161.051. So guys, can I say, sir, we have invented this logically also? Yes, our trick will give the same answer. Guys, what is the trick? R upon 100 plus 1. Multiply by? Principal. Equal to will give you amount. Yes. Guys, if I want amount after 3 years, equals to button 1, 2, 3. Now wait. Guys, this is your bank balance. Say yes. Yes, sir. Bank. Technically, this bank balance is known as amount. And initial deposit is known as principal. Guys, are you all here? Yes, sir. Do one thing. Apply the trick without me now. Guys, try to apply the trick. R upon. Slowly, guys. Slowly. Done? Guys, are you all getting the answer? Slowly, guys. Slowly. Are getting the answers? With me. Don't worry. It's okay. It's okay. Now wait. Guys, press on button, guys. Press on button. Now with me. Everybody, guys. First of all, please retain the trick, guys. Retain. R upon 100 plus 1. Guys, everybody, guys, with me. Wait. First of all, let me eliminate the students who are having the wrong calculator. If you're not getting the answer. Wait. First. Press 2. Everybody, guys, press 2. Press plus 2 times. Anyone having here K in the screen?
No, sir.
Raise your hands, guys. 1, 2, guys. Okay. So, guys, see. You will get out of the class. Right hand side, left side, there is a dustbin. Throw. Guys, we don't have. Guys, you have to. Guys, trust me. The problem is not with the maths. Guys, whenever you have to press equal to button twice, even this calculator is not capable of getting the powers. 2 raised to the power 5. You have to do like 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Then you will get the answer. Other will say 2 into 1 equal to. So that is the problem. This calculator is not at all useful. Wait, guys. Anyone two problems. One, this K problem. This calculator is not yet manufactured. Still, some shops have that calculator and they will give it to you. Okay, so we can't do anything. Change it. Okay, today. But you know the good part. I know this will happen. So I am having some calculators. Some means only one more. Guys, so you can use this for today. Guys, are you all here? Guys, are you all here? Yes, okay. Now, guys, with me. Again. So, guys, all the students who are having that K in the screen, guys, I'm so sorry. You have to share the calculator and practice today. Okay. Now, many students have to change the calculator. One more feature which is missing. You know. Can you check this GT button? If you don't have the GT button, you have to change. Guys, GT, yes, this one. Guys, I will tell you. Yes, I know. Guys, this model MJ120D, most popular, not at all good. Guys, wait, guys, see. Guys, are you all here? Yes, please, guys, silence, please, guys. Wait, this GT button, don't worry. Today, this is good. Tomorrow, once we enter into phase 2, this GT is required. You know, once I start teaching you how to use this M plus M minus MRC GT, trust me, in the accounts class, you will start using it and you'll find the difference in the speed. Guys, okay, I'll tell you how to use this in other subjects also, but with me guys, prefer if you're going through this button, this Casio, go with MJ12D, 12D. Guys, 120 or 120DA, 120D plus, there's so many options, all look same, but guys, they have some buttons missing or some have having that K problem. So guys, please check and get the Calci. Guys, with me, everybody. Now, are you all here? Now you'll get the answer. Yes. Prefer? Can I suggest? MJ12D. But I'm not the brand ambassador. I don't get any money. You can get anything you want. But yes, one more thing that you should always take care of while buying the calculator. Take the calculator. By any chance, one day before exam, if that calculator is missed or something went wrong, the same calculator is available in the market. Girls will buy the fancy calculator, open like this, pink button, everything is good. Guys, don't buy the calculator which is not available. Okay, don't buy the fancy calculators. Go for the calculators which are available. These calculators are meant for the CA students. They know CA students buy the calculator, so don't go for those. See, here the plus button is here. Citizen will have the plus button here. So guys, once you start R upon 100 plus 1, once you change the calculator, your speed and mental peace both will be disturbed. Guys, are you all here? Yes, guys, with me now. Our all the trick starts from R. Now guys, everybody guys with me. 10 upon 100 plus 1. Wait, multiply by principal. I have deposited 100 rupees, multiply by 100. I want bank balance after 5 years. After 5 years. How many times should I press equal to button? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Guys, are you getting the answer? 161.051. Now wait. With me, everybody guys, with me. This amount is known as bank balance. Say yes. Technically, it is known as amount. Your bank balance has two things. One, your initial deposit. Rest, everything is the interest. Guys, wait, please guys, absolute silence. Guys, please stop the discussion. Now guys, with me. Your amount, that is your bank balance, has two components. One, initial deposit, and rest is the interest. What is your initial deposit? How much money you have invested? 100 minus 100. Guys, do minus 100. How much interest you have made, guys? 61.051. So this is interest of 5 years. Guys, if you calculate the total of this 5 years interest, 10 plus 11 plus this plus this plus this, you will get 61 point. So guys, can I say amount has two components, principal and interest. If you subtract the principal from the amount, what you get? Interest. And that is the compound interest. Guys, are you getting my point? Yes, now, guys, now please, I know that you don't have the notes. Still, guys, write down the trick, calculated trick for the first content, that is the CI. Let's start. Guys, can you help me out? Our all the trick starts from R upon 100. R upon 100 plus 1. Now wait. Multiply by principal. They will give you principal, so multiply by principal. If you press equals to button, what you will get? Guys, the point is, how many times you will press this equals to button? Number of years. Guys, now wait, Aman sir, but you only said that interest can be payable yearly, interest can be payable half yearly. Now guys, think and say, wait, almost, if I am getting 12% per annum, 12%, then in 6 months, I am getting 12% or 6%. Can I say almost, sir? It is not completely correct, but from just common sense perspective, if you are making 12% per annum, how much you are getting per month? 1%, 1%, 1%. How much you are getting per half year? 6% and 6%. If your interest is payable half yearly, wait, and you are collecting it again. You have deposited some money in a bank for 5 years. Everybody, guys, are you all here?
Yes,
you have deposited money 5 lakh rupees in a bank for 5 years, and interest is payable yearly. Interest is payable yearly. First interest you will collect after 1 year. 1 year ends, bank, my interest. Say yes or no? You have deposited money for 5. Second interest you will collect after again 1 more year ends. Second year ends, bank, interest. Third year ends, bank, interest. Fourth year ends, bank, interest. Fifth year ends, bank, interest. You will visit the bank for how many years? Again, I have deposited 5 lakh rupees in a bank for 5 years, but I am asking bank, please give me my interest half yearly. Half yearly. You will collect your first interest after 1 year or after 6 months? Sir, I have deposited my money for half yearly. I want bank, please give me my interest half yearly. So guys, I will collect my first interest after 1 year or after first half year? First 6 month ends, bank, my interest. Second half year ends, bank, mine. So in 1 year, you will collect interest 1 time or 2 times? So for 5 years, you will visit the bank for 5 times or 10 times? You will visit the bank for 10 times. Do you agree with this? If you have deposited money in a bank for quarterly, guys, quarterly, you have given 5 lakh rupees to the bank and you say, bank, this time I will collect my interest quarterly. So you will visit the bank after 1 year or after 6 months, after 3 months? After 3 months, bank, my interest. So in 1 year, how many times you will collect the interest? 4 times. So in 5 years, how many times you will collect the interest? 3 times. See, you are getting the answers. Why you are getting the answers? Because we have covered this basics in conversion. And now this is my part of the core teaching, that I want these answers from you. That's why we have invested so much time. Guys, are you all here? Yes, now, if the interest is payable half yearly, interest is payable? Half yearly. Rather than doing R upon 100, do R upon 200. R upon? 200. Guys, write down. R upon 200 plus 1 multiply by principal is equals to amount. But the twist is, guys, how many times you will press equals to button? Wait. If you have deposited money, guys, with me, everybody, guys, with me. Simply I am saying, press equals to button, number of times you will collect the interest. Press equals to button, number of times you will collect the interest. Wait, Aman sir, if you have deposited 5 lakh rupees in a bank for 5 years, and interest is payable yearly, so you will visit the bank at the end of every year. So 5 years, how many times you will visit the bank? 5 times. Agree or not? Yes, sir. This time you have deposited 5 lakh rupees half yearly for 5 years, but you are asking bank, please give me my interest half yearly. So 5 years, you will get the interest 5 times or 10 times? In 1 year, you will collect interest 2 times. Second year, again 2 times. Third year, 2 times. Fourth year, 2 times. Fifth year, again you will collect interest 2 times. In short, can I say, if interest is payable half yearly, you will get the interest number of half years times? So press equal to button, number of half year. Write down, guys. Rather than pressing equals to button number of years, press number of half years. Guys, if the interest is payable quarterly, R upon 100, 200 or 400? 400. Guys, write down R upon 400 plus 1 multiply by principal is equals to, guys. Guys, now if you have deposited 1 lakh rupees, 5 lakh rupees in a bank for 1 year, if you are getting interest yearly, you will press equal to button 1 time. If you are collecting interest half yearly, you will press equal to button 2 times. If you have deposited money 1 lakh rupees for 1 year, but this time bank is giving you interest quarterly, you will collect the interest 1 time or 4 times? 4 times. In short, can I say, press equal to button number of quarters? Yes. If you have deposited money for 5 lakh rupees for 5 years, you will collect the interest 5 times or 20 times? 20 times. So you will press equal to button how many times? 20 times. In short, can I say, if the interest is payable yearly, equals to button number of years? If interest is payable half yearly, equals to button number of half years? If it is payable quarterly, equals to button number of quarters? Write down, guys, number of quarters. Guys, monthly R upon 100, 200, 400 or 1200? R upon 1200 plus 1 multiply by principal, guys, equals to will give you amount. Guys, can I say press equals to what a number of months? Guys, can I simply say, Aman sir, they are not 4 tricks. There is only one trick. R upon 100 plus 1. Rest everything is logical. If it is half yearly, R upon 200. Quarterly, R upon 400. Monthly, R upon 1200. Guys, do the writing part, everybody. Start again. Guys, don't worry. You'll not make that mistake. Guys, are you all here? Guys, are you all here? With me, guys. Now with me. Wait. Guys, I want all of you, see, this entire question bank is waiting for you. You have to fill this entire question bank. But wait, let's have one question with me. This all entire question bank you will fill only. Okay. Once you are confident with this, then you can crack your question bank questions without my help, as I promised, and you can also crack Genie book. Everything, it depends how much confident you are while studying that concept. Guys, are you all here?
Yes, sir.
Wait, before I come to this question bank, wait. One thing which is very important. I am saying, guys, I have deposited 5,000 rupees in a bank. Bank is giving me 9% rate of interest. Bank is giving? 9%. Okay. There are 4 scenarios. I have deposited this money for 5 years. For how many years, guys? 5 years. First, if the bank is saying, bank is paying me interest annually. Bank is paying me interest, guys? Annually. Guys, annually, half yearly. Guys, bank is giving me interest annually, half yearly, quarterly, or guys, monthly. Wait, guys, wait. I know you guys can crack the question. Still, I want, for this question, participate with me. Entire question bank is waiting for you. So don't be in hurry. No, sir, I will solve. I am saying with me, it means you have to solve this with me. I am saying, don't worry. This entire question bank, this you will fill. This one question is equivalent to your entire ICM module. One question. Yearly, half yearly, quarterly, have so many variables are there now. But this question with me, everybody. Now, guys, interest, I have to calculate amount. I have to calculate? Wait. Our all the trick starts from R upon 100. Interest is payable yearly, annually, guys. Interest is payable per annum, annually. So for 5 years, you will collect the interest at the end of every half year or at the end of every year. Sir, so in 5 years, how many times you will collect the interest? 5 times. If you are collecting the interest yearly, R upon 100. Guys, don't perform the trick, guys. No, 90% of students start, guys, accept the trick in the mind. Perform here. Then automatically everything will be, you will not make a single mistake. Don't start performing in the calculation. No. Guys, as your mentor, as your teacher, I'm saying, don't do this. It means, trust me, something that I don't want you to do, that's why I'm stopping you. Don't do that. Stop. No. Here. Accept the trick here first. Guys, R yearly, R upon 100 or R upon 200? R upon 100. 9 upon 100. Guys, are you all here? Now see, if I say don't think about the elephant, don't think about the elephant. No, no one will think about the elephant. What you're thinking? Elephant. Guys, again, so if I am asking you to perform in the calculator, you can perform in your mind. 9 upon 100 plus 1 multiply by 5,000. Okay, yearly equals to how many times? A number of 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is the answer. Now, if it is half yearly, R upon 9 upon 200 plus 1 multiply by 5,000. No, wait. 5 years. You are to press equals button 5 times or 10 times. Sir, now I am collecting my interest half yearly. I will collect the interest at the end of every 6 months. So in 5 years, how many half years? 6, 10, 1. 10 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is your amount. Quarterly. R upon? 9 upon 400 plus 1 multiply by equals to how many times? In 1 year, how many quarter? 4. 5 years, how many quarter? 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Don't say, so 20 times, do it. After 2 days, you will press equal button 500 times also. 500 times, sir, 1, 2, 3, 4. If someone say, do you have extra pen? Don't worry, this will not happen. Don't worry. We have some approach. You don't have to worry about it, guys. Don't worry. And you know, you will accept this when I will teach you sequence and series, and will ask you, calculate the sum up to 10 term. You n upon 100 2a plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sir, answer. Sequence and series, 100% calculator. Mathematics of finance, 100% calculator. No pen approach. You will not even pick a pen. Guys, you know, 2 things are very less. One is the time and one is the rough page. In exam hall, they will give you 25 pages booklet. One page consists of 4 questions. And at the end, they will attach 1 extra rough page. And they will write in the instruction, you are not supposed to write in the question bank. You are not allowed to carry any rough page. Then where we will write here, here? No. They will say you have 1 extra page. What is the practical scenario will happen? For first 1 year, you have maths paper is only of 2 hours, you know, only for 2 hours. For first 1 hour, you will take it very seriously. You will write only in the rough page. But next 1 half, last 1 hour that is left, you know, in which literally say no one will write. You will write. But that comfort will come only after 1 hour. Okay. Or that 1 hour is very crucial. And in that 1 hour, if I give you liberty that out of 100 marks paper, 60 marks paper, no pen approach. So you'll say, okay, next 1 hour, your first 1 hour, you have to secure that 60 marks where no pen approach is required. And 15 marks chapter we have started. Guys, are you all here? With me, guys? Quarterly, R upon, monthly, R upon 1200 plus 1 multiply by equals to 5 times 60 times 1 2 3 4 5 6. You have to do it, guys. Okay, guys, are you all here? Wait, now with me, guys, will not go for the monthly as of now. Let's start, guys. R now, guys, yearly, R upon 100 plus 1 multiply by principal. Now wait, equals to button number of years. How many years are there? 5. 1 2 3 4 5. How much? Guys, are you all getting 7693.11? Everybody, guys? Yes. Now let's start again on half yearly. 9 upon R upon 100, R upon 200, R upon 200 plus 1 multiply by principal 5000. Guys, 5 years means 5 times. Why? Number of half years. In 1 year there are 2 half years. So in 5 years, how many half years? 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Guys, are you getting 7764.847 something? Guys, quarterly, again guys, again, R upon 100, 200 or 400? R upon 400 plus 1 multiply by principal. In 5 years, how many quarters? 20. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Guys, are you getting 7802.54? Guys, yes or no? Everybody, guys? Are you all getting these answers? Now, you are ready to fight for one question. Shall we start? Concept handbook. This entire chart is, guys, this entire question bank is waiting for you all. Now wait, let me explain the question first. Let me explain how this question has been made. A person invested, can I say this is initial deposit? What is this 8,000? Principal? 7%. Rate is how much? 7%. Calculate the amount and in the following situation. Wait. I promise you, you guys will only solve. But wait, please. You know, to get the confidence, one thing is important. If you get the answer in first trial, you will always get the answer, as I'm saying. If you start making the mistake, no sir, first I solve it wrong, then again I solve it wrong, again I solve it wrong, then I do it right. No. First trial right answer, guys. Slowly. No one will say the answer. Sir, answer is 9 to 4. No. Everyone, let everyone solve. Once I start asking what is the answer, then only you have to say. Guys, are you all here? Wait. First category A. Interest is payable yearly. R upon 100 plus 1. Multiply by equals to how many times? For if 1 year is there, 1 time. The problem is, Aman sir, for 1.5 years. Sir, 1.5. Sir, we can press equals to button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can press equal to 2 times. 1, 2. 1.5. Sir, idea. 1 full button, 1 half button. No. Guys, many will say, yes sir, yes, good idea sir, good idea. No. Guys, is it possible? No. So guys, for decimal, it is pending. I have to yet to teach. Pending. Don't you guys, once you receive the notes, don't write P. You will write the correct answer. Yes, I am writing because we are about to teach when it is years are in decimal. But wait. Look at this scenario. Interest is payable half yearly. Interest is payable half yearly. R upon 100 or R upon 200? 100. Okay. R upon 200 plus 1 multiply by principal. Now you have to press equal to button number of years or number of half years. You agree with this? Yes. 1 year means how many half years? 2. Now you can't solve 2 years means how many half years? 4. Sir, we can't solve this. No. Wait. 1.5 years. You have to press equal to button number of years or number of half years. How many half years are there? 3. Convert this. In 1 year there are 2 half years. So 2 into 1.5, 3. Guys, you have to press equal to button this time 3 times, and 3 is not in decimal. Yes, this time you can crack this one. 6 month means 1 month. Guys, now you are ready. Crack all the entire question. Guys, is this visible? If all the information visible? Yes. Guys, get the answer. Guys, okay, I will zoom first for yearly. Let's discuss one by one. Okay, guys, let's discuss one by one. Guys, principal you can write down. Principal is 8,000, rate is 7%. Principal is 8,000, rate is 7. Guys, let's discuss one by one yearly. Let's start with the yearly. Solve this and wait for my discussion. Guys, you will get amount. Amount has 2 components, principal and interest. I want interest also. Subtract principal. Get this and this both. Everybody, guys, slowly get the confidence, apply the trick, very logical. Guys, this question is very important. Guys, done? For yearly, you guys done? Shall we start? Let's start the discussion, guys. We'll come to the half yearly. Let's start with the yearly. Guys, R upon 100 or R upon 200? Everybody, guys, even if you have received the answer, for the practice point of view, again solve with this with me. More and more question you solve, guys, trick will be sorted in your mind. Guys, R 7. R upon 100 or 200? 100. R upon 100 plus 1. Multiply by 8,000. You want amount after how many years? 1 year, 1 time. Are you all getting 8560? Yes, 8560. Minus, you want interest also. This is your bank balance consisting of 2 components. One is the initial deposit, rest everything is the interest. How much you have deposited? 8,000 minus 8,000. Guys, are you all here? For 2 years, let's start it again. Guys, R, what is rate? 7. R upon 100 or 200? 100. Why 100? Sir, it is yearly. R upon 100 plus 1. Multiply by principal 8,000. How many times should I press equal to? 2 times 1, 2. Guys, are you all getting 9, 1? 9159.2. Guys, minus principal. How much you have deposited? 8,000. So how much interest you have made? 1159.2. Guys, everybody? Guys, for half yearly, guys. Now wait. Half yearly. R upon 100 or R upon 200? Plus 1. Multiply by principal. This time you have to press equal to button number of year times or number of half years. Guys, get the answer for all the 4. Then we'll start the discussion. Everybody, guys, please solve. Guys, carry the rough page. Write in the rough copy. Don't worry. Once you get the note, this is your class work. Why this class work is important? Now I'm not wasting your time to draw this table and all. Everything is there. You just have to fill the content part. This will save our almost 25 to 30 hours. And that we will devote to the number of questions. Guys, for half yearly. Everybody, guys, fast. Guys, R upon 100 or 200? Guys, done for all the 4? Guys, very slowly apply, say the trick in your mind and then perform. R upon 200 plus 1 multiply principal equals to button number of half years. In 1 year, how many half years? 2. Guys, are you all getting the answer done? Shall we start the discussion? Everybody, guys, with me. Now, guys, even if you have started with the received answer, start again, guys. R, what is rate? 7. R upon 200 plus 1 multiply, not equal to, multiply by principal. How much is the principal? 8,000. Now wait, 1 year you have to press equal to button number of year times or half years? Now again, in 1 year how many half years? 2. 1, 2. Are you getting 8569? 8569.8 minus principal 8,000. How much? 569.8. Everybody, guys, are you all here?
Yes, sir.
2 years. R upon 2. Why 200? Sir, interest is payable half yearly. Again, guys, R upon 200 plus 1 multiply by principal 8,000. In 2 years, how many half years?
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Guys, are you getting 9180.18 minus 8,000? 1180.18. Everybody, guys, are you all getting the answers?
Yes,
now wait, before you start the trick, guys, before you start the trick, you must make sure that you know how many times you have to press equal to button. Many students do like this, R upon 100 plus 1 multiply by principal. Now wait, how many times I have to press equal to button? Okay, in 1.5 years, how many half years? Don't think when you reach at that point. First thing, okay, I will do R upon 200 and I have to press equal to button number of half years. So the calculator is available to do the calculation. In 1 year, there are 2 half years. So in 1.5 years, how many half years? 3. Now you know that you have to press equal to button 3 times. Then start the trick. First get sorted that you know, before you start the trick, that you know that how many times you have to press equal to button. By any chance, if you want your calculator to be available to convert this into half year, your calculator will be busy with the trick. So guys, make sure you do this calculation that you know how many times you have to press equal to button. Guys, in 1 year, how many half years? 2. So in 1.5 years, how many half years? 3. Let's start, guys. R, rate 7. R upon 200 plus 1 multiply by 8,000. How many half years? 3. 1, 2, 3. Guys, are you getting 8869.74 minus 8,000? How much, guys? 869. That's all, guys. 6 months means how many half years? 1/2 year. Again guys, R7, R upon 200. Sir, why 200? Interest is payable half yearly plus 1 multiply by principal. Guys, equals to how many times? Number of month or number of half year? 6 month means how many half year? 1. Are you getting 8280? 8280 minus 8000 will give you 280. Guys, is this point clear? Now do it for quarterly, guys. This time R upon 100 or R upon 200? 400. R upon 400 plus 1 multiply principal equals to button how many times? Number of years or number of quarters? Do it, guys. Guys, do it. Guys, R upon, done with all the 4? Guys, 1 minute more. Guys, get the answer. One thing I am expecting from you is, guys, that you will give your 100% when it comes to the question. Again, first you are solving, then we are discussing. Guys, in 1 year, how many quarters? 4. Guys, 1.5 years. Should I write pending? Or you can do it? Sir, this time I don't need to press equal to button number of years times. I need to press number of quarter. 1 year means how many quarter? 4. So 1.5 year means 1.5 into 4, 6. And 6 is not in decimal. Yes, you can press equal to button 6 times. Get the answers, guys. Shall we start the discussion?
Yes, sir.
Guys, with me. Now, R rate 7. R upon 100, 200 or 400? Why 400? Interest is payable quarterly. R upon 400 plus 1 multiply by principal 8000. 1 year means how many quarters? 1, 2, 3, 4. Guys, are you getting 8574? 8574.87. Guys, minus principal 8000. 574. Guys, 1.5 years. Wait. Interest is payable quarterly. So you have to press equal to button number of years or number of quarters. 1 year means 4 quarter. So into 1.5 years means 6 quarter. Guys, can you press equal to button 6 times? Yes. Let's start. R upon 400 plus 1 multiply by principal equals to button 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Guys, are you getting 88? 8877.61 minus 8000. 877.61. Guys, 6 month means how many quarters? R upon 100, 200 or 400? Why R upon 400? Because interest is payable quarterly. 7 upon 400 plus 1 multiply by principal 8000. 6 month means how many quarters? 2. 1, 2. Guys, are you getting 8282? 8282 point minus 8000. Guys, are you getting 282.45? Everybody, guys. Monthly. R upon 1200 plus 1 multiply principal. In 1 year means how many month? 1, 2, 3, guys. Get the answers. Guys, you have the time. I'm giving you 2 minutes, guys. Get the answers. Guys, silence. Guys, one thing, don't discuss. Why I'm saying, I have no problem that you guys, if you discuss, but the problem is the biggest loss is to your friend or you. When the two are discussing, one is explaining and one is listening. The person who explains is in better position, and person who gets answer, guys, they are always getting dependent, that I don't understand, I have to ask someone. Don't create this dependency, guys. Even if you are not getting answer, fight, don't discuss. For the improvement, it is extremely important. Yes. 2 years. No, not required. 2 years means 24 months. Guys, shall we start? Once more. Guys, shall we start? R upon 100, 200, 400 or 1200? Guys, let's start. 1 year means how many month? 12 month. R 7. R upon 1200 plus 1 multiply by 1 year means you have to press equal to button number of years, number of month. 1 year means how many month? 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Guys, are you getting 8, 5, 7, 8? 8, 5, 7, 8.32 minus 8,000. 578.32. Guys, 1.5 years means how many months? 1 year means how many months? 12. So into 1.5, how many months? 18. Guys, 18 is not in decimal. Can I solve this part also? Yes. R upon 1200 plus 1 multiply by principal 8000 equals to how many times? 18 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Guys, are you getting 882? Guys, are you getting 888? 2.97 minus 8000. How much? 882.97. Now guys, 6 months. You have to press equal to button number of months, and they have already given you months. There is no need to convert. You have to press equals to number of month, and they have already given you 6 month. Let's start, guys. R upon 1200 plus 1 multiply by principal 8000. 6 month means how many month? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Guys, are you getting 84.11 minus 8000? Guys, are you getting 284.11? Guys, are you getting the answers? Everybody, guys, now see how we started and how we are going through now. Guys, are you getting the confidence? Yes, sir. When I was expecting the conversion, when I was teaching you the conversion, I already said, don't take it, guys. Sorry, we know this, we don't need to participate. Without conversion, this can't be cracked. And guys, so that's why I'm saying interest is payable. We have drawn one basic diagram. Interest is payable yearly, half yearly, quarterly. Now you connect this page. Logic, basic common sense. This created the trick, and with that trick we are cracking the questions. Guys, are you all here? Yes, sir. Now wait, guys. See. Now, again, let's revise the trick first. All the trick starts from R upon 100 plus 1. Now wait. If the question is of the compound interest, they will give you principal. Multiply by principal equals to number of years. If it is half yearly, R upon 200. Quarterly, R upon 400. Monthly, R upon 400. Guys, you have to press equal to button depending upon the question. If it is yearly, number of years, half yearly, number of half years, quarterly, number of quarters, and monthly, number of months. Guys, are you getting a point? Yes, now, question bank. Now wait. I'll make sure that you get the question bank and concept handbook by today. But wait. Question sequence, when we study, it can be, we can change the sequence. But once we are done with the chapter, when it comes to revision, you have to start with 30, 31, 32 in the same sequence. Guys, now wait. For every question, I will give you time. I will not even explain the question for next 20 seconds, 30 seconds. The biggest problem, the biggest challenge that we have to improve now is, guys, that language barriers. As of now, I have given you principal 7,000 rate, 7% principal 8,000 yearly, everything I have given you. Now the same question they will ask you, but they have created some language barrier. Next 20-30 question, we will improve that language barrier. I will help you out how to deal with this. Now wait, you know, how our the session is going to end, how our mathematics of finance will come to the end. I know this is a very big chapter. I know the weightage is very good. Simple interest, compound interest, effective rate, depreciation, present value, future value, ordinary, due, so many things are there. Once we come to the end of the chapter, automatically one question will be in your mind. Aman sir, we are getting confused. We are not getting sorted when the question is asking present value, when the question is asking future value, when they are asking simple interest, or we are getting confused. I know the point when these things will trigger. That's why, first of all, this thing will not trigger you. At the end, our chapter will end with, see guys, concept. Let's remove the confusion whether the question is of present value, future value, and amount, or principal. Phase 1, phase 2, the way we are going to discuss, we are going to make a very good summary. One more summary will draw in the other useful page. Superb summary. All the question summary, 200 question summary in one page we are going to make. And you guys will help me out to make the summary with full confidence. Then there are 17 questions. All the questions have same thing. The amount of rupees 150, the amount of an annuity of rupees 150, the amount, same question. But this is something else, this is something else. So one word will change the language. And guys, we are going to have the brainstorm on these 17 questions. And I promise you, you will have zero confusions. You guys will say what is given, what is asked. See guys, whether this question is of phase 1 or phase 2, what they have given, what they have asked, and we will have a good amount of conversation. Whatever question comes in your mind, Aman sir, but this language we can decode like this also. Whatever question comes in your mind, I will answer. Even don't worry, whatever question is going to be there in your mind, I will create and I will answer that. But still, whatever question comes, I will give you complete freedom. You can ask whatever question you want and will get the answer without getting up, writing anything, in just calculator with that 5 tricks. And this will be the end of the chapter. So guys, don't worry. I know what things will trigger you. What is the language barrier? How this chapter I have to end. Once we end any chapter, you will be 300%, 200% 100% I will give from myself. But the problem is, guys, even if I'm giving my 100% and you are not attentive in the class, you know, we are at the month of April end. April is not there now. We have May, June, July. Correct? Guys, today I am here to take the biggest chapters. Again, I will be having one more visit. Again, I have to take big chapters. Till that time, they will complete your statistics, logical reasoning. You cannot afford one thing. If the exam is in the month of January, you can make some mistakes. You can have some liberty. But if you are planning September, you know, you can't afford one thing, that is that will create the backlogs. Aman sir, I will study again. Don't worry, I have the time, I will study again. I will watch the backup. I will attend sir another session. No, you can't, you don't have that much time. You have only that much time which is required. Not even a less time, not even an extra time. We have only prompt time we have available, only this much time we have. Syllabus completion, revision, test paper. You know, if someone missed the content and when others are revising, you know, 2 things are sorted. Now everyone is passionate about their work. Everyone wants to study. Everyone wants to do hard work. Everyone wants to crack the paper. It means you guys are not only here studying. Almost 1 lakh students are studying. Let's think 20% students are not serious, but 80% are serious. If you are not studying, trust me, 80,000 are studying. And you are going for Pan India level exam. You know, if I look at my competition, I'm also trying to make my career in teaching. I'm also struggling hard. I'm also making a good amount of hard work. You know why? Because I know one thing, Aman, if you are not working hard, there is one more faculty who is working hard, developing new concept, so much of hard work. Everyone wants to have a good life, good career, good money, good health, everyone is working hard. Everyone means everyone. Trust me, the level, the exam that you are going to give. I was preparing for IIT JEE. There was 15 lakh students. 15 lakh students sit in the exam. Selection was only 10,000. 15 lakh, 10 to 15,000 selection. There was on that days very limited IIT JEEs were there. Very limited. My core subject was maths. Maths, physics and chemistry. I left physics, chemistry and focused on maths. Guys, now again, you are going to give a competitive level exam. Always have one thing in your mind. If I am not studying in the class, apart from this 300, 400, there are 80,000 students who are doing hard work. Don't blame later on, sir. You may have good brain, you may have good IQ, but if you're not working hard, you're not attentive. One student with having a below average IQ, with hard work, he or she will beat. So it depends upon you guys. Now we are going through a very important chapter. You know, one responsibility that Sara sir and KS Academy has given to me. Aman, you are an outsider faculty. I understand that part. You have one responsibility. You can't even make, if you come to the class where I'm having 3 months, I used to play the songs. I used to participate because I know I am there for 3 months. But when I come to be, when I'm here, I have to make sure, Aman, you are here. You can't even make a 1 minute waste of the students. You have to get the best outcome for the next 5 hours, 6 hours, whatever time you are taking. But it's a very huge responsibility. I am having 2 experience. One experience is very beautiful, that when I conclude the batch, the results are super awesome results we are getting. And guys, now the same responsibility again I am having, that again we have to create a superb result, awesome result. I will give my 100%, I am very much sure. Now ask this question from yourself, guys. Are you ready to give your 100%?
Yes.
If you are ready to give your 100%, whatever question we are going to discuss, give your full efforts. Even if you are not getting an answer, fight for it. Don't worry, I am here, I know what you are going through. I know what kind of difficulty the 50 students, even if you are among those 2 students, that we don't know even how to read the question, I will teach you that also. That will be the part of my class. So guys, this class is not for those students who are good at maths. This class, whatever I will be teaching you, whether you are good, whether you are bad, whether you are below average, whether you don't know about the maths, don't worry. You will be capable enough. Not today, but by tomorrow, yes, you will be ready. So guys, now we are starting with the questions. I want all of you to fight for each and every single question. Guys, are you all ready?
Yes, sir.
Let's start. Guys, question number 1. Read and try to decode. 20 seconds, after 20 seconds I will read this question. Try to decode, and if you can get the answer, get the answer. Guys, one thing, if the question is silent, whether the interest is payable yearly or half yearly, you will always assume the interest is payable yearly. They have given you, if P is equal to, rate is, N means number of years. What is the amount and CI? Amount and question is silent, it means interest is payable yearly. So R upon 100, start guys, start. R upon 100 plus 1 multiply by 1000. You want amount after how many years? 1, 2, 3, 4. Option A is the right answer. Guys, are you getting the answers? See, again, I am getting the answer, you guys are getting the answers. You guys are good. Guys, that will be the sequence, and I promise you, each and every question you guys are ready. Once we are done with the concept handbook, it means you are ready for the question bank. If we are done with the concept handbook, you are ready for so you have to perform. Guys, are you all here? Let's start. Guys, what this question is saying, Aman sir, they have given us principal. How much is the principal? 1000. Rate is? 5%. What is the amount? Do you have any trick to calculate the amount and CI? Yes. All the trick starts from R, rate is 5%, R upon 100 plus 1. Multiply by principal. How much? 1000. They are asking amount. After how many years? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sir, we have 1215. 1215. 1215.50. Are you getting the amount? They are asking CI, compound interest also. This amount has two components, principal and interest. What you have to subtract? Principal minus initial deposit. I have deposit 1000. How much interest you have made? 215.50. Guys, are you getting the option A?
Yes, sir.
Yes, guys, option A is the right answer. Everybody, guys, now with me. Wait. Guys, question number 35. Everybody, question number 35. The CI, read very carefully, guys. The CI. Again, no, don't read forward. The CI. They are asking compound interest. Decode, guys, decode. 20 questions, guys. Understand how I am reading the question and how I am decoding. The compound interest on 16,000. What is this? Principal? For 1.5. Guys, 1.5 means 1.5 years. At 10% per annum. Interest is payable. Wait. Interest is payable? Don't apply the trick. Wait. Understand how I'm decoding the. Once you read the word half yearly, instantly say R upon 200. I'm giving one message to my mind that when you start the trick, start with R upon 200 to avoid the basic mistake. Guys, again, R upon 200 plus 1. Wait, don't start in mind. R upon 200 plus 1. Multiply by
16,000.
principal equals to how many times? Number of years or number of half years? 1.5 years means how many half years? 3. 1 year means 2 half year. So 1.5 years means 2 into 1.5, 3 half years. 1, 2, 3. Wait. What is this? Amount. What is this? Amount. But I am asking amount or I am asking CI? My bank balance has two components, principal and interest. I don't want amount, I want interest. Minus principal. Get the answer, try. Everybody, guys, I'm waiting. Try. Slowly, guys. You have 40 seconds. Try. I'm waiting. Even if you get the answer, try again. Guys, the CI on. Are you getting the answers? Guys, let's start. Everybody, guys, again, guys, again with me, guys. R upon 100 or R upon 200? Why 200? Sir, interest is payable half yearly na. What is the rate? 10. R upon 200 plus 1. Multiply by 16,000. Guys, very carefully. Multiply by 16,000. Equals to how many times? Sir, 1.5 year. But sir, I need to press equal to button number of years or number of half years. 1.5 years means how many half years? 3. 1, 2, 3. Wait. This is interest or this is amount? They are not asking, they are asking CI. They are the compound interest. Should I subtract principal? Minus 16,000. How much? 2522. Guys, are you getting the answer? Please crack question number 36. Everybody, guys. Question number 36. 40,000. The compound interest on 40,000. The compound interest, the CI, the compound interest on. How much you have deposited? 40,000. 4%. 1 year. Interest is payable. R upon 400 plus 1 multiply by equals to how many times? 1 time?
4 times.
Sir, 1 year means how many quarters? 4. But you will get amount. I am not asking amount, I am asking answer, guys. Are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Let's start. Guys, again. Wait. If you are not getting the answers, wait. I am not performing again. Wait. Everybody, guys, press on button. Press on button. Now wait. With me. Whatever I say, everyone will perform. There are two kinds of students. One, they say, sir, we are not getting the answer. But there are some students, sir, they are unable to express if they are not getting the answer. So let me help them all. Guys, are you all here? with me. Whatever I say, perform that much. I'll explain and let's perform. The CI on, the CI on. This is what? Principal. For at 10% for 1 year, interest is payable quarterly. So again, R upon 100, 200 or 400? 400. Everybody guys, with me, press 10 upon 400. 10 upon 400. One thing you all have to change. Wait. Maximum of you, see, wait. Avoid this. Don't press play PUBG. Sir, R upon 400 plus 1 multiply. No means no. See, why? You know, you are not helping out your mind to accept. See, R upon 100. The mind is unable to process which button you pressed. R upon 4. No. Guys, 1. R upon 400 like this. Everybody guys, please change the approach. Please. Guys, now again. Guys, shall we start? Everybody guys with me. Press on button. Press on. Done. 10 upon 400 plus 1. 10 upon 400 plus 1. Done with R upon 400 plus 1. Multiply 40,000. Multiply by 40,000. Done. Now you want amount. After how many years? 1 year. But interest is payable quarterly. So you will press equal to button 1 time or 4 times? 1, 2, 3, 4. Done? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
This is amount or this is CI? Amount. I am asking only minus principal. Minus 40,000. Are you getting the answers?
Yes,
Wait. Once more. Once more means once more. But this time with me. Now, R upon 400 plus 1 multiply by principal. What is the principal? 40,000 multiply by 40,000. Guys, now equals to button how many times? 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whatever you get, this is amount. I am not asking amount, I am asking CI minus 40,000 equals to 4152.51. Guys, option C. Guys, are you all getting the answers? Now, this clap is for the break. 2 minutes. I'll give you break, guys. Are you all here? Guys, question number 39. Okay, guys. Question number 39, guys. Completed 39. Okay, once again, guys, please try. 39. Guys, the CI, again the CI on 4,000. 6 months, again quarterly, again R upon 400. But this time you have to press equal to button 6 times. No, quarterly. 6 months means how many quarter? 2. Guys, get the answer. Option A is right answer, guys. Guys, are you all getting the answers? Now, it's okay. After that, 0 has no importance. Guys, 0.60 and 0.6 both are same. Sir, 6. Okay, wait. I'm sorry, guys. Are you all here? Guys, again. R12. R upon 100, 200 or 400? R upon 400 plus 1 multiply by principal 4,000. In 6 months, how many quarters? 2. 1, 2. Whatever you get, this is amount. They are asking amount of CI minus principal. Are you getting 243.6? Guys, option A. Everybody, guys. Now, guys, see. Now, guys, I'll make sure that you get the notes, because now we have to start with the discussion. Till now, I have just covered a basic trick of CI. Everybody knows that now the exam is, the level of the exam, don't suppose they will ask only this. Yes, you can crack last attempt 2 questions. Now we have to start with the discussion of the advanced shortcuts. But after break, guys, we'll cover some important notes, and guys, then we have to start with the discussion of the advanced shortcuts. If you get the notes, that will be the best part. Still, one more session we have to devote it for the CI. After lunch break, 1 hour more for the CI. Remaining 1 hour for the effective rate and depreciation. And guys, today we will, leaving the simple interest, we will cover our CI, effective rate and depreciation. I have to teach you 5 tricks. Today we will complete 3 tricks. Tomorrow remaining 2 tricks. Done with the chapter. One session will give it for the conceptual part, applications. Guys, have break, we'll connect after break guys and we'll complete the CI. Break time 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 10 minutes, 1 hour. Guys, we'll connect in 15 minutes at 11:30.